Here at CNC at Home, we're using a 445 nanometer laser, which puts it in the blue spectrum. I'm wondering how well it cuts different colors. So I found some cardstock in a variety of colors. We've got kind of brown, that's the generic uncoated. We've got white, green, red, and blue. With the laser being blue, and blue reflecting blue light, I'm thinking that one will cut the least amount. White also not cutting very well, as it's white and it reflects majority of the light. We'll see with the green and red. I would expect the red to cut the best, then the green next, the white and the blue to be the worst. I suppose actually the brown would be the absolute best, because that'll burn really well. So what I'm going to do is cut a series of lines at varying power. I'll start with 5%, then a line at 10, 15, 20, 25, and the last line will be 30%. And this is moving at 10,000 millimeters per minute, so the fastest this machine will cut. So we'll see how that does. If it doesn't look like it cut very well, I'll do a second pass on the whole thing. Three times, and it looks like the laser cut at least these colors. It cut through the coloring. Didn't do much on the brown. Then the white didn't do a thing to the white. So the white definitely reflects that laser off. The green, the red, and the blue look like they cut just about the same as each other. Interesting. Here we've got red, we've got white, blue, green, and our basic test color, kind of a cardboard tan. There's bonus points for anyone who can identify where these pieces of cardboard came from. We have red, we have white, we have blue, we have green. The brown one doesn't count because, oh, I guess I do know if I look at the other side. We'll ignore that one. But we've got red, white, blue, and green. Where did these four come from? They are from different boxes, potentially. These two, maybe from the same box. Okay, this will be cutting at 10,000 millimeters per minute at 35% power, 0.1 millimeter resolution, and 45-degree angle. Alright, we're going to try the white with the same setting. So 10,000 millimeters per minute at 35% power, 0.1 millimeter resolution, and 45-degree cut angle. Alright, this is the red cardboard, same settings. 10,000 millimeters per minute, 35% power, 0.1 millimeter resolution, 45-degree cut angle. Now it looks like my piece of cardboard wasn't quite big enough for this cut, so it'll be missing a little bit. No biggie. It'll get on there. We'll give the blue a try now. See how that burns. This is a blue laser, so it's kind of what I'm thinking, that the blue won't cut quite as well just because it's a blue laser. We'll see. We'll see. Come on back down where you're supposed to be, and let's see how you're lined up. Yeah, that ought to work. Burn, baby, burn. Well, that actually cut pretty well. Okay, we're going to give this green a try. Same settings, 10,000 millimeters per minute, 35% power, 0.1 resolution, and 45-degree angle. Alright. That actually did a pretty decent job of cutting on the green. Here we go. This was our base, or normal, just uncoated cardstock. Looks so. And then on the white, okay, didn't cut quite as dark on that, so there was some reflection of our laser heat. Here's our red. A little bit better than the white, it looks like. Not as good as the brown. The blue, boy, you know, about the same as the white. Just about the same as the white. And then on our green, boy, it's hard to tell. I think it's better than the white. Not as good as the blue, interestingly enough. So there we have the green.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.